This is Chapter 14, Information Security Professional Certifications. The topics are what the US DoD military standards for the cybersecurity workforce are, what the popular vendor-neutral professional certifications are, and what the popular vendor-specific professional certifications are. When you complete this chapter, you will be able to identify professional certifications in the information system security and cybersecurity space, distinguish between the US DoD Military Directive 8570.01 and the new DoD Directive 8140.01, describe popular vendor-neutral professional certifications, and identify popular vendor-specific professional certifications. The learning objectives describe information system security educational opportunities and professional certifications. And our key concepts are the DoD Military Directive 8570.01 and 8140.01, popular vendor neutral professional certifications, popular vendor specific professional certifications. DoD Directive 8570.01 referred to information assurance training, certification, and workforce management, affected any DoD facility or contractor organization, and ensures all the personnel who are directly involved with information security possess security certifications. DoD Directive 8140 is a new operationally focused cybersecurity training framework. It replaces the 8570.01 directive and developed by the Defense Information Systems Agency, or DISA. The basic tenets for it include a training strategy roadmap for role-based and crew certification that will be provided, commercial certifications, which have long been relied on, although they are often too broad for military use, will be adapted and tightened to better meet Defense Department needs. DISA can produce focused, relevant qualifications and certifications for the cyber warriors of the United States. Crew certification is a grouping of qualified role-based operators who obtain the desired effects necessary to defend and operate in cyberspace. The Cyberspace Defense Academy will qualify role-based individuals to work effectively as part of crews and teams. Joint Cyberspace Training and Certification Standard, JCT and CS, is the current baseline for work role definition. The National Initiative for Cybersecurity Education, NICE, will be the baseline for federal and DoD work role definitions. The following DoD initiatives will support this new DoD 8140 Cybersecurity Workforce Development Standard. The 8140 Workforce Requirements Initiative will define the requirements for the cybersecurity roles identified by the JCT and CS. Learning Management System Selection by Office of the Undersecretary of Defense for Personnel Readiness, JCT and CS Concept of Operations, or what they call CON-OPS, an implementation plan, and the Department of Homeland Security, DHS, and National Security Agency, NSA, Centers of Academic Excellence, which Georgia Southern is one of them, and the DISA Cyber Workforce Development. The roles identified by the 8140 directive include the following: security provision, operate and maintain, protect and defend, analyze, operate and collect, oversight and development, and investigate. Here are the Joint Cyberspace Training and Certification Standards. And I'll leave this up here for a minute or so, a few seconds. It's in the textbook. Again, this is, of course, military oriented, so you can see the columns are combat element and combat support, all the different roles and standards. The roles are on the left, and then with regard to finance, logistics, and administration, but the combat support is on the right, in the right column. Okay, so here we have US DoD NSA training standards are actually training requirements for specific job responsibilities developed by the CNSS and NSTISS. The CNSS is the Committee on National Security Systems, and the National Security Telecommunications Information Systems Security is the NSTISS committee. It provides guidance for course and professional certification vendors to develop curriculum and materials that meet DoD NSA requirements. Here's some of the training standards. I'll just leave this up here for a minute or two. Okay, we're going to talk about vendor neutral professional certifications. Again, these are certifications that are not created by a hardware or software vendor. Okay, a certification is an official statement that validates the fact that a person has satisfied specific job requirements, including possessing a certain level of experience, completing a course of study, and passing an examination. Certifications target specific areas of knowledge and expertise. Vendor-neutral certifications cover concepts and topics that are general in nature, not specific to a particular vendor, for example, hardware or software. So here are the 7 main ISC squared certifications. ISC squared stands for the International Information Systems Security Certification Consortium. That's a mouthful. But anyway, their main certifications are the System Security Certified Practitioner, SSCP, Certified Information System Security Professional, CISSP, which is often considered to be the gold standard of certification, CAP, the Certified Authorization Professional, CSSLP, the Certified Secure Software Lifecycle Professional, CCFP, the Certified Cyber Forensics Professional, HCISSP, the Healthcare Certified Information Security Privacy Practitioner, and CCSP, the Certified Cloud Security Professional. We'll talk briefly about each one of these. So, the Certified System Security Certified Practitioner, SSCP, covers the 7 domains of best practices for information security. Enables security practitioners to demonstrate their level of competence, ideal for those who are working toward or already hold positions as senior network security engineers, senior security systems analysts, or senior security administrators. CISSP, the Certified Information Systems Security Professional, demonstrates competence in the 8 domains of the ISC squared CISSP Common Body of Knowledge, or CBK, is the flagship credential among ISC squared's credentials, was the first ANSI ISO accredited credential in information security, provides information security professionals with an objective measure of competence and a globally recognized standard of achievement, targets middle and senior level managers who are working toward or already hold positions as chief information security officers, CISOs, chief security officers, CSOs, or senior security engineers. And actually, this summer 2020, I'm studying for this certification. And then CAP, the Certified Authorization Professional, provides a method to measure the knowledge and skills of professionals involved in authorizing and maintaining information systems. Best fits for this are personnel responsible for developing and implementing processes used to assess risk and for establishing security requirements. Continuing on, the CSSLP, the Certified Secure Software Lifecycle Professional. This evaluates professionals for the knowledge and skills necessary to develop and deploy secure applications. It is appropriate for software developers, software architects, and anyone involved in the software development and deployment process. The CCFP is a Certified Cyber Forensics Professional. These people tests and evaluates professionals. The certification tests and evaluates professionals for the knowledge and skills necessary to perform and conduct a digital forensics investigation, not elementary forensic certification, but rather builds on already existing forensic certification or expertise using a commercially available forensics application such as EnCase Forensic or the Forensic Toolkit FTK. CCFP, again, tests and evaluates professionals for their knowledge and skills necessary to perform and conduct these investigations. The HCISPP, Healthcare Certified Information Security and Privacy Practitioner, tests and evaluates professionals for the knowledge and skills necessary to perform and conduct security and privacy work for healthcare organizations. The CCSP, Certified Cloud Security Professional, tests and evaluates professionals for the knowledge and skills necessary to secure and manage cloud computing environments. With the rapid growth in virtual computing, the CCSP was built by both ISC Squared and the Cloud Security Alliance, CSA. It will test, and again, it's important because as cloud has grown significantly, we have to have a certification to prove that people that work in cloud-based technologies are with regard to security, are certified to do it. Some additional professional certifications from ISC Squared: Architecture, CISSP, ISSAP, 2 years of professional experience in the area of architecture, appropriate for chief security architects and analysts. Engineering, CISSP, ISSEP, roadmap for incorporating security in projects, applications, business processes, and all information systems. And management, CISSP, ISSMP, 2 years enterprise-wide security operations and management, contains deeper managerial elements. So let's go to another organization here, the Global Information Assurance Certification or GIAC, from the SANS Institute. Offers approximately 30 individual credentials spanning several information security job disciplines, including audit, forensics, legal, management, security administration, and software security. It was formed by the SANS Institute in 1999, which is the governing body which issues the various certifications. The SANS Institute provides the training that prepares students for each of the GIAC credentials. You can pursue individual GIAC credentials or follow a path to earn higher level credentials. Anyone who holds a GIAC credential can submit a technical paper that covers an important area of information security. An accepted technical paper adds the gold credential to the base GIAC credential. The gold credential enables security professionals to stand out from other credential holders. The GIAC Security Expert GSE credential provides another method for security professionals to stand apart from other credential holders. The GSE requirements include holding 3 GIAC credentials, with 2 of them being gold, denoting an assessed writing component, passing a GSE exam, and competing in an intensive 2-day hands-on lab. GSE is the highest level credential within GIAC. Now, here are all the individual GIAC credentials, and again, you can, do just audit, or you could do just forensics, or you could do audit and forensics, or you could do all of them. Many people do all of them, but depending on what you do for a living in security, for example, you may not do the GIAC legal issues, GLEG. You may not be involved in software security. So it depends on what you do. You may not be involved in audit. So it depends on what you do as to which one of these you would take. Certified Internet Webmaster, CIW. The credentials focus on both general and web-related security. Credentials that satisfy the CIW requirements include ISC Squared CCP or CISSP, various GIAC credentials, CompTIA Security Plus, and several vendor-specific credentials. Here are some of theirs. CompTIA is probably one of the largest IT and security certification, training and certification companies in the world. Security Plus, it's globally recognized credential with certified professionals in 147 plus countries. Entry-level information security certification of choice for IT professionals. Meets the ISO 17024 standard and is approved by the Department of Defense 8570.01-M requirements. Of course, that's going to have to change as 8570 has been superseded. Is industry support, given that Security Plus is developed and maintained by leading IT experts and provides a career path in information systems security in the pursuit of additional security certifications. The CompTIA Advanced Security Practitioner, CASP, meets the ISO 17024 standard and is approved by the U.S. Department of Defense to fulfill Directive 8570.01-M requirements, is compliant with government regulations under the Federal Information Security Management Act, or FISMA. ISACA, nonprofit global organization that promotes the development, adoption, and use of globally accepted industry-leading knowledge and practices for information systems, provides security training at conferences and training events, offers 4 credentials for IT security professionals: CISM, the Certified Information Security Manager; CISA, the Certified Information Systems Auditor; CGEIT, the Certified in Governance of Enterprise IT; and Certified in Risk, CRISC, the Certified in Risk and Information Systems Control. Here are the various ISACA certifications. Other information system security certifications: the EC Council, CH, Certified Ethical Hacker, CHFI, EC Council, Certified Security Analyst, and more. EC Council is the International Council of E-Commerce Consultants. Software Engineering Institute from Carnegie Mellon University, CERT, the Certified Computer Security Incident Handler from them, SEI, the Authorized CERT Instructor. Mile 2, we have hosted or provided discounts for Mile 2 at Georgia Southern in the past. We'll be looking into whether we'll continue that in the future. There are multiple security certifications, some of which are equivalent to, for example, CISSP or SSCP and ISC squared. And then Certified Wireless Security Professional, multiple wireless security certifications. Some others: the High Tech Crime Network, Certified Computer Crime Investigator, Certified Computer Forensic Technician, the International Society of Forensic Computer Examiners, Certified Computer Examiners, CCE, Cybersecurity Institute, Cyber Security Forensic Analyst, CSFA, and Offensive Security that has multiple certifications. Okay, let's talk about some vendor professional specific professional certifications. And here we are again: vendor specific professional certifications offered by vendors of hardware and software products. So basically what happens, of course, is that you're certified for that hardware or software, but it's very specific, and that doesn't mean you're certified for some other vendors, hardware and software. Holding a certification for a specific vendor implies competence. If an applicant meets requirements for certification, the applicant has a certain level of knowledge and skills. Cisco Systems, one of the largest manufacturers of network security devices and software, offers a range of certifications for its networking products. Offers several different certification levels along with different tracks that enable security professionals to focus efforts on specific knowledge and skills they need to get the most out of Cisco equipment. Here are the levels: entry, associate, professional, expert, and architect. Different paths: design, security, voice, wireless, routing and switching, and service provider. Here are all their certifications, which are a lot. At the entry level, for example, the Cisco Certified Entry Networking Technician, Cisco Certified Technician, and then at the associate level, Cisco Certified Design Associate, Cisco Certified Network Associate for data center, for routing and switching, for security. When you get to the professional, Cisco Certified Design Professional and Cisco Certified Network Professional. But again, these are all specific to Cisco. If your company doesn't use Cisco, that's great that you have these, but it's not going to do you much good with your organization. I'm sure that they would respect what you have if you went to go work for an organization that doesn't use Cisco products, but um, it may not help you if you're using some other hardware or software. Juniper Networks manufactures a variety of network security hardware and software, offers a varied range of certifications for its networking product line. There are 4 levels from 11 different tracks, does not offer certifications at all levels for every track. Here are some of theirs. Some of the tracks: E-Series, Enterprise, Routing and Switching, Firewall, VPN, Intrusion Detection and Prevention, Juno's Pulse Access Control. So now you're really talking about their specific products. RSA, Global Provider of Security Risk and Compliance Solutions for Enterprise Environments, provides specific training and certifications to help security professionals use RSA products effectively, and offers certifications for RSA Archer and RSA Secure ID. Now, one I will mention is that we have used Palo Alto Networks here at Georgia Southern. We actually are using them for our firewall solution. In order to teach their product to our students, last summer I became a Palo Alto Networks authorized cybersecurity academy instructor at the level of cybersecurity infrastructure configuration, which is about the 4th level up in their certifications, because I'm able to teach that course and 3 courses below it. And for those who have taken IT 2531, when we use the Gateway Labs from Palo Alto in that class, I am automatically certified to teach those because I have this certification, which is several levels above it. So that's another example of a vendor-specific certification, which I do hold, and it's not among these slides. I just wanted to mention it. Okay, Symantec provides a wide range of security software products, offers certifications for its product lines, including administration of Symantec Net Backup for Unix, administration of Symantec Enterprise Vault for Exchange, administration of Symantec Endpoint Protection, and of administration of Symantec Net Backup for Windows. These certifications are part of the Symantec Certified Specialist SCS program. The Symantec Certified Professional SCP represents more experience and more in-depth knowledge than SCS certifications, and currently Symantec offers the SCP certification for cloud security. Check Point, global manufacturer of network and security devices and software, provides training and certification paths for security professionals to encourage highest level of knowledge and skills in the use of Check Point products, and requires that applicants pass an exam that involves 80% study materials and 20% hands-on experience. Here are the various Check Point certifications. And in summary, we talked about the DoD Military Directive 8570.01 and the one that supersedes it, 8140.01, popular vendor neutral professional certifications, and popular vendor specific professional certifications. This concludes Chapter 14.